Switching to Claude and don't want to lose everything ChatGPT knows about you? Here's the exact process to move it all across. Open Claude and click your profile icon in the bottom left. Go to Settings, then Capabilities. Click Start Import. You'll see a prompt already written for you. Copy it. Now open Chat GPT. Click your profile in the bottom left and go to Personalization. Make sure both Reference Saved Memories and Reference Chat History are switched on. This is what tells ChatGPT to pull everything it knows about you. Open a new chat. At the top, click the model name and switch to Thinking. Paste the prompt you copied from Claude and hit Send. ChatGPT will work through everything it has on you, your preferences, your style, your topics. Wait for it to finish, then copy the full output. Switch back to Claude, paste everything into the text box, and instead of hitting send, click Add to Memory. Claude stores it all. From that point on, Claude knows your preferences, your style, and your context, just like ChatGPT did. That's the full process. Copy the prompt from Claude settings, turn on both memory toggles in ChatGPT, use the thinking model, copy the output, paste it into Claude, and hit Add to Memory. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.